Make a great choice today with
the 2020 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.